He's the next big thing.
He's been a dominant force around the world.
He's a future world champion. He's can't miss. He's the main event. He's a lock. He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock. He's a lock. I am the lock.
You were a little rough around the edges out there, but you got the job done. Nice work.
Listen, I know you're showing me the ropes or whatever, but I've already got a mentor.
Tavish, right? I used to watch him back in his WCW days. Don't think I ever saw him win too many matches, though. Not sure.
What you saw in WCW wasn't the real Tavish. Do your homework. He's a highly skilled, tough-as-nails competitor who taught me a lot.
I'm not trying to replace anyone, so just hear me out.
Okay, I'm listening.
Take it or leave it, but I'd teach Corbin a lesson about speaking out of turn. Maybe turn his smile upside down.
I'll see what I can do.
The following is scheduled for one fall, and is for the WWE.
It's a superstar who's a...
Introducing the challenger from Kansas City, weighing in at 275 pounds, Happy Corbin! And his opponent from Naples, Italy, weighing in at 200.
The Lock's Intercontinental Championship is on the line once again, but tonight he'll have to fend off the always dangerous Happy Corbin.
The rookie superstar has reportedly been seen taking advice from respected locker room veteran Mustafa Ali. Let's see if it pays off.
Respected, yes, but some of his previous leadership ventures didn't end well. I'd be wary of that happening again.
Into the corner. This can't be good.
Dragon sleeper locked in.
And Baron now is being chopped down.
The Lock isn't holding anything but
Knocked you silly. And attacking above the shoulders has become the strategy here.
He right to the midsection. Setting them up for the Falcon Arrow. Oh, he retaliates. Big impact.
Look at the arm for a Fujiwara armbar.
Fujiwara armbar applied. Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Oh, jarring uppercut. Yanking the arm backwards to the Fujiwara armbar.
He wants even more out of his opponent.
okay, consider that a harsh lesson.
Looks like Mustafa Ali has more than just advice to offer the Lock.
Didn't expect this, but a little distraction can certainly make sure a match goes your way.
Set him up, Russian leg sweep.
Very measured elbow drop.
Trapping the arm.
Crossface submission and taps out.
Retains the title.
Here is your winner, and still WWE Intercontinental Champion, The Lock.
Let Corbin keep talking.
Little hard to focus on me when I've got glory hogs crashing my matches to piggyback on my momentum.
You realize I bailed you out in that match, right? You could have lost your title if I hadn't.
I was fine, and I'd be even better if you stopped using me to get yourself over.
Wow. You want to hear some real talk? I saw myself in you when I watched your debut, but you and I are in different leagues.
I'm the Intercontinental Champ. What do you have to show for yourself?
For now, I've won more matches here than you've ever even seen.
Never fought me, though. Have you?
You man enough to change? Or would you rather just stand here and air out all of your paranoid fears?
You're on. Only thing I'm afraid of is embarrassing you so much you start hiding behind a neon mask again.
In that case, why don't you put your Intercontinental title on the line too?
I thought you said it's more important to send a message than win a title.
Every once in a while, it's possible to do both and put an overconfident rookie in his place.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'll see you in the ring for my title. Hope the moment's not too big for you.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE
It's the future of WWE.
Things certainly appear to have gone south fast between The Rock and Mustafa Ali.
That's right, Byron. The short-lived allies will settle their differences in the ring here tonight with The Rock's Intercontinental Championship on the line.
Champion or not, it seems to me like the rookie still has a lot to learn about respecting his elders.
Easy now. Looking worse for wear in the corner now. Big time move coming up. What do they have in mind here?
Just when you think this match can't get any more risky.
It won't go on much longer if this lands.
Falcon Arrow.
Any move from the top like that is nearly catastrophic.
Fisherman's Buster. Whatever's playing here can't be good.
Looks like they want to take things outside. No telling what they have in store now. Oh, man. Letting his opponent know he can...
Perfect time to attack when his guard is down.
The upper hand now belongs to Rock.
The killer instinct from The Rock is shining through.
Hooked up. Oh, my God, a small package driver.
He's positioning himself, closing in. Big elbow.
The challenger is in some big trouble.
And he has just taken an extraordinary amount of abuse.
Guys, we know that if Ali's heart is beating, he has a chance to turn this thing around.
He's getting up, but there's danger in front of him.
He turns it around.
Possibly a momentum shift for Ali.
That opens up a chance for Ali to gain his wits about it.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
Standing drop kick.
Great ups. And we see him take yet another shot to the body.
Measured elbow drop driven down.
Trapping the arm. Crossface. Submission top. Taps out.
And The Rock can still hold the title above the competition.
Well, well. If it isn't the Intercontinental Champion. I remember my first IC title, but barely. Because I've had so many.
Losing your memory in your old age, huh? So sad.
Wow. Locke's got jokes. And I was just about to teach you everything I know about being the Intercontinental Champ.
Enlighten me.
To be a true Intercontinental Champion requires a truly intercontinental skill set with mastery of styles from all over the world.
And your intercontinental specialty is British, Japanese, lucha, Cleveland?
No, no, no. I am the greatest French-style wrestler of all time, of course. A style defined by the element of surprise, or as the French say, surprise, with a Z, which they stole from me.
Are you sure about that?
My wife is French, so I'd know. But enough spelling talk. Let me show you what the Intercontinental Championship is all about. In the ring, for your title, what do you say?
Sure, but I've got more important business first. I've already got a cage match title defense lined up.
Well, bon chance, as the French would say. Break a leg, or two.
An impressive win over Madcap Moss.
Here comes the man with a shot to the back.
What the heck is he doing out here?
And now The Miz is asking for the cage to be lowered down. This is absolute mayhem.
The champion just survived a cage match, and now he's dealing with this?
The champ's doing his best to battle back, but Miz has played the element of surprise to perfection. Can the champion capitalize on this opening?
Low blow from The Miz.
The most unpredictable man in sports entertainment has struck again.
And again, and again, and again. Talk about a long night for the Intercontinental Champion. This is brutal.